everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov, and in this section I will introduce the very beginner traders to the first steps that you need to take before start trading on the forex market, no matter you do it manually. And as you understand so far in this course, I will teach you how to trade automatically with many expert advisors in the trading account. Alright, so the first step that you need to take is to find a regulated broker that you will be using for your trading. So the forex brokers are huge companies that offer the trading platforms. They give us the access to the market. We can open a demo account which is virtual, so we can practice trading or test expert advisors, or we can open a live trading account, which means a real trading account which we need to fund with money so we can start trading. Now you can look for forex broker over the internet. You will find hundreds or even thousands of websites, and be very careful because obviously there are many scam brokers around that offer not just bad trading conditions, but most likely you will never see your money again if you fund an account with a scam broker. So to make it easier for my students, I have prepared a PDF that I will attach to this lecture, where I will give you more information about the forex regulations. Alright, so each broker must have a regulation. Anyway, there is a huge risk that this is a scam broker. So when you're looking for a broker, look for the brokers that have regulations, and you will see in more details in this PDF. Make sure to download it from this lecture as a resource file just below the video. We have the Commodities Future Trade Commission in US. We have the NFA again in the United States. FCA is a very strong regulator in UK. We have MiFID as well. So there are many regulators around, but to make it simple, just look for the brokers that are regulated with some of these regulations that I have described in the PDF attached to this lecture. And I usually avoid recommending brokers. That's a personal choice, it's up to you. But to make it easier for our students and for the people who have hard times finding a broker, we have created the brokers page on our website, where you will learn more about the regulations, how important the low costs are, the reviews. So always look for honest reviews from different traders, forums, blogs, so you can have a better understanding and idea about the broker that you are planning to use. And below we have listed some brokers that we have been using so far. I asked my team to write honest and long reviews for each of the brokers with some pros and concerns, so we just make it easier for our traders and students to select the broker that fits them the best. And of course we are improving this page all the time, so by the time you're watching this course, if it is after a few months or after a year or two, it might look different with other brokers or more brokers. But of course, before listing any of the brokers here, we do our best to test them, so we make sure that our students are using regulated and suitable brokers for algorithmic trading. Below you can find some more tips when choosing a broker that will be helpful to you if you are doing it for a first time. So for the purpose of this course, I will be using the ATFX broker, and if I click on open an account, I will get on their website. But one more time, don't take it as a recommendation. It's up to you which trading broker you will be using. Now let me show you quickly how you can open a demo account with a broker, which is very similar with most of the brokers. I will click on create demo account, and you see that I have the blank where I will need to enter some personal details, my name, email, the country, phone number. I guess here I will need to remove the code because it's already selected after my country was selected. Then I would like to have my account currency in dollars. And so what is your trading experience? Yeah, mine is above 1 year. Then you need to submit and confirm that you agree with their terms and conditions, and then you just create your account. Pretty much that's it. And after that I have the confirmation that the account was created, and it says that I need to check my email. So if I bring the email on my recording screen, you will see how it looks like, and it's very similar to most of the brokers. So I have the login information, and then I have the password, and then I have the server of the broker, and below I have the links from where I can download the trading platform. So I will click on download MT4 for desktop. And if I click on the exe file, you will see that a small menu pops up, and the installation is very quick. And I will click on settings to give you a few tips if you are installing a few MetaTrader platforms. So to make it clear from the beginning, if you want to test many expert advisors on a demo account and to put the top expert advisors or the best performing ones on your live account, you will need to have two different MetaTrader platforms installed. Okay, you cannot switch from demo to live account on one and the same platform, because if you are on demo and you switch to your live account, you will disable your demo account, and vice versa. If you are on your live account and you switch to demo, you will disable the expert advisors on your live account. This is a common mistake that the beginner traders do, so I wanted to make it clear from the beginning while I'm installing the trading platform. And if I click on settings, you will see that I have the option to choose the installation folder. So for example, right here I can write down ATFX GM MT4 demo account. And if you want to install another platform for your live account or for a second demo account from the same broker, just use the same exe file and change the installation folder, because if you use the same installation folder, you will just overwrite the platform. Alright, and then you click on next, and it takes just a couple of seconds to see the new platform installed on my computer. And here it is. I click on finish and you will see the new platform opening in a second. It usually brings you automatically to the MQL5 website, which is the official website for MetaTrader. So the MetaTrader platform was developed by the MetaQuotes company, and the brokers pay to the MetaQuote company for providing the MetaTrader platform to us, the traders, the clients, because we are clients for the brokers. And by the way, if you are trying to download MetaTrader 4 from the official website, it will download MetaTrader 5 for you. So there are two versions, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And they are trying to push all the traders towards MetaTrader 5, but MetaTrader 4 is still the more preferable platform, and most of the traders are still using MetaTrader 4. I still use MetaTrader 4, so here it is, brand new platform installed, and all I need to do now is to log into the account that I have just opened. So I will need to go to File and click on Login to Trade Account. So right here I will just paste the login details and the password, and the server, it is automatically fulfilled, and I click on login, and in the bottom right hand corner you will see that I'm already connected to the server of the broker. Okay, and on the left side you will see that all the quotes, or this is the market watch where we see the assets, the prices start to move, they change from red to blue, which means that I am simply connected to the server of the broker. Alright, so this is how easy it is to open an account with a trading broker. Very similar process with most of the brokers, and in the next lecture I will tell you more about how you can use MetaTrader and the basics that you need to know so you will feel comfortable trading with expert advisors or with the so-called robots. We'll see you right in the next lecture.